Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by isolating the subject so the new background sits cleanly. Duplicate the background layer now. That gives you a non-destructive workflow. Use Quick Select for simple subjects or the pen tool when edges must be precise. Once selected, enter Select and Mask to refine hair, hair-like edges, and fine transitions. Adjust radius, smooth, and shift edge until edges read naturally. Make sure Output to New Layer with Layer Mask so you can tweak the mask later without losing pixels. Now create the background. Add a solid color, gradient fill, or place an image layer below your mask subject. You want the subject to sit believably, so once the new background exists, alter its hue and lightness to match the subject's ambient light. Use curves or color balance on the subject or background to bring midtones and highlights into agreement. If necessary, apply a subtle Gaussian blur to background for depth of field. This helps the subject pop and reads as a single photograph. Finish by refining the composite so it looks seamless. Clip adjustment layers, curves, hue/saturation, selective color, to either subject or background to control contrast and color independently. Paint on the layer mask with a soft, low-opacity brush to remove halos or restore lost details. Sample colors with the eyedropper and paint with color sampled from new background if needed. If edges still look wrong, try blend if sliders on the subject layer or add a subtle color cast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.